Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Ultimate Guide: How to replace your canister purge solenoid smoothly. Ever notice that pesky check engine light flickering on your dashboard? It might be signaling an issue with your canister purge solenoid. This tiny component plays a big role in your car's emission system, and when it fails, it can lead to more than just a warning light. If you're experiencing rough idling or trouble starting your car, it might be time for a replacement. In this video, you'll learn the signs of a failing canister purge solenoid, why it's important to replace it, and how to do it yourself without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and get your car running smoothly again. Understanding the canister purge solenoid. The canister purge solenoid plays a crucial role in a vehicle's emission control system by helping to reduce harmful emissions and maintaining environmental standards. This small but mighty component is responsible for managing the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine intake manifold. Key role in emission control. The canister purge solenoid is essential in preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, which could contribute to air pollution. By controlling the release of these vapors into the engine, the solenoid ensures that they are burned efficiently, reducing emissions of harmful gases such as hydrocarbons. This process plays a key role in meeting emission regulations and keeping the environment clean. Signs of a faulty canister purge solenoid. Recognizing the symptoms of a faulty canister purge solenoid is crucial for maintaining the performance of your vehicle. Common signs that indicate a malfunctioning solenoid include rough idling, a decrease in fuel efficiency, or an illuminated check engine light on the dashboard. If you notice any of these indicators, it's important to have your vehicle inspected by a mechanic to prevent further damage and ensure optimal functioning of the emission control system. Diagnosing canister purge solenoid issues. To determine if your vehicle's canister purge solenoid is causing problems, you can follow these steps for accurate diagnosis. Using OBD2 scanner. Firstly, connect an OBD2 scanner to your car's diagnostic port, usually located beneath the dashboard. Start the engine and let the scanner communicate with the vehicle's computer. Retrieve the error code specific to the canister purge solenoid. Error codes like P0443 or P0440 could indicate issues related to the solenoid system, providing a starting point for diagnosis. Visual inspection. Perform a visual inspection of the canister purge solenoid and its associated components. Check for any signs of physical damage, such as cracked hoses, loose connections, or corroded terminals. Inspect the entire system for leaks, especially around the solenoid itself and the hoses connected to it. Any visual abnormalities could point towards a malfunctioning canister purge solenoid. By combining the use of an OBD2 scanner to retrieve error codes and conducting a thorough visual inspection of the canister purge solenoid system, you can effectively diagnose potential issues affecting its performance. Regularly checking these components can help maintain your vehicle's efficiency and prevent larger problems down the road. Canister purge solenoid replacement procedure. Replacing a faulty canister purge solenoid is a task that can be tackled with the right tools and guidance. Let's walk through the procedure step by step to ensure a smooth replacement process. Gathering necessary tools. Before starting the replacement process, gather the essential tools required for the job. You will need a set of wrenches to remove the old solenoid and install the new one. Additionally, make sure to have a new canister purge solenoid ready for installation. Locating the solenoid. To begin the replacement process, locate the canister purge solenoid in your vehicle. The solenoid is usually found near the engine or the vehicle's fuel system. Refer to your car's manual if you're having trouble pinpointing its exact location. Removing the old solenoid. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal of the car battery to ensure safety during the replacement process. Locate the old canister purge solenoid and carefully detach the electrical connector and vacuum lines connected to it. Next, using the appropriate wrench, loosen the bolts securing the old solenoid in place. Remove the malfunctioning canister purge solenoid from its location in the vehicle. Installing the new solenoid. Take the new canister purge solenoid and position it correctly in the vacant spot. Secure the new solenoid in place by fastening the bolts tightly with a wrench. Reconnect the electrical connector and vacuum lines to the new canister purge solenoid. Testing the new solenoid. After installing the replacement solenoid, it's crucial to test its functionality. Reconnect the battery's negative terminal and start the vehicle. Check for any signs of leaks or abnormal sounds. Take a test drive to ensure the new canister purge solenoid is working effectively in regulating the emission system. By following these steps diligently, you can successfully replace a faulty canister purge solenoid in your vehicle, ensuring optimal performance and emission control. Post-replacement checks and maintenance. After replacing the canister purge solenoid in your vehicle, it's essential to perform some checks and maintenance to ensure everything is in proper working order. Below are the key steps you should take post-replacement. Clearing error codes. To clear any error codes that may have been triggered during the replacement process, you can use an OBD2 scanner. Simply plug the scanner into the OBD port in your car, usually located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side, and follow the on-screen instructions to clear the codes. This step is crucial to ensure that the vehicle's onboard computer system recognizes the new part and functions without any lingering issues. Regular maintenance. To maintain the efficiency and longevity of the newly replaced canister purge solenoid, consider the following tips. Inspect regularly. Make it a habit to visually inspect the canister purge solenoid periodically for any signs of damage, wear, or corrosion. Addressing any issues promptly can prevent further complications down the line. Check connections. Ensure that all connections to the canister purge solenoid are secure and free of debris. Loose connections can cause a drop in performance and lead to potential malfunctions. Follow manufacturer's guidelines. Refer to the vehicle's manual for specific maintenance schedules and guidelines recommended by the manufacturer. Adhering to these instructions can help optimize the solenoid's performance and prevent premature wear and tear. Keep it clean. Regularly clean the canister purge solenoid and surrounding components to prevent the buildup of dirt, grime, or contaminants that could impede its function. Use a mild detergent and a soft brush to gently remove any debris. By following these post-replacement checks and maintenance tips, you can ensure that your canister purge solenoid operates smoothly and efficiently for an extended period, maintaining the overall health of your vehicle's emission control system. Replacing your canister purge solenoid is crucial for maintaining your car's overall health. It's not just about keeping the check engine light off, it's about ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. A faulty solenoid can lead to poor fuel economy and higher emissions. Taking the time to replace a bad canister purge solenoid can prevent bigger problems down the road. It's a relatively simple fix that most car owners can tackle with the right tools and a bit of patience. Don't ignore the signs of a failing purge solenoid. Addressing it promptly can save you money and stress in the long run. Stay proactive with your car maintenance, and enjoy a smoother driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.